Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students, in the previous video lecture, we solved two questions of exercise 10.1. Now, in this video lecture, let's do question number 3 of exercise 10.1. So, the question is, let L be a line and P be a point not on L. Through P, draw a line M parallel to L. Now, join P to any point Q on L. Choose any other point R on M. Through R, draw a line parallel to PQ. Let this meet L at S. What shape do the two sets of parallel lines enclose? Clear? So, what we'll do first is, first we will have to draw a line L. So, I'll take a line here and I'll name this line as line L. Clear? Now next I'll have to take a point P which is not on L. So I'll take a point P, suppose here this point P is not on this line L. Next, to draw a line M through this P parallel to this Q, I'll take another point here on L. This point. Now I'll join these 2 points. Okay. Now with this as center, I'll draw an arc, and with the same radius, I'll draw an arc with center as P. Clear? Now, this arc is intersecting line L at this point and this point. So, I'll adjust the opening of this compass up to its distance. Clear? Now, with this point, this arc is intersecting this line at this point here. Now, with this as center, I'll draw another arc. We're actually drawing alternate interior angles. So, this is the point here. Now, I'll join this point to point P. So, let this line be M. So, this line M is parallel to line L as we draw the equal alternate angles. Clear? These two angles, this angle and this angle, these are equal. So, these are alternate interior angles. So, this line M is parallel to this line L. Now, what we have to do is, we have to take another point Q on this L. See students, if we take a point Q on this line, अगर हम ये वाला पॉइंट Q ना ले, अगर हम कोई और पॉइंट लेंगे इस लाइन पे जिसको हम Q नाम रखेंगे, then this question will become slightly complicated. So I'll keep this point as point Q. Clear? Now PQ is already joined. Now what I have to do is, I will take another point R here on this line M, and through this R I have to draw a line parallel to this PQ. Clear? A line is to be drawn through this R which will be parallel to this PQ. See students, here we draw alternate interior angles. Now, to draw this line through this R parallel to this PQ, we'll be using another property, that is of corresponding angles. So, I'll take this angle and I'll draw an angle equal to this angle here on R. Clear? So now what I'll do is, I'll draw an arc here with R as center. Okay. Now see, I'll put the tip of the compass here and adjust the opening up to this point. Clear? Now, with this same opening, I'll put the compass here and draw another arc intersecting the previously drawn arc. So, this is the point. Now, what I'll do is, I'll join these 2 points. And this line is, suppose, joining this line L at point S. Clear? Now students, this PR, M is parallel to L, or we can say PR is parallel to QS. Clear? And this PQ is parallel to RS. Clear? So the opposite sides are parallel to each other, so we can say this quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. Clear? So the question was saying what shape do the two sets of parallel lines enclose? So the two sets of parallel lines enclose parallelogram. Clear? Now students, you will write the steps of construction yourself. Step 1 will be take a line L and take a point P outside the line L. Then take another point on L and join that point with point Q. Then with Q as center, draw an arc with and some convenient radius, draw an arc, and then with P as center and the same radius as in the previous step, draw another arc. Then adjust the opening of the compass. Say suppose this is point X and this is point Y. Adjust the opening of the compass equal to XY, and then with this point, say suppose this point is F, with F as center, draw another arc cutting the previously drawn arc, say suppose at H. Then join H to P, so, and extend the line. So this line M is parallel to line L. Clear? Now after that you will consider this point as Q. Then you will write, now PQ is the line and you have to draw the line parallel to this PQ. So what you will do is you will take another step, will be take another point R on line M, and then with P as center draw an arc, and with the same radius as in the previous step and with center R draw another arc. Then with adjust the opening of the compass equal to HF. Clear? And then with this as center, adjust the opening of the compass equal to this HF and draw an arc. Then join this point to R and extend the line. You will get RS, and then you will say PQ is parallel to QS and PQ is parallel to PRS and PR is parallel to QS. So therefore quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. Clear? Students, this completes exercise 10.1. In the next video lecture, we will be doing next exercise. Till then, Allah Hafiz.